Welcome back to your English listening practice. Today we travel to a lonely road for a terrifying urban legend, the Silent Diner. Alex was driving late one night. It was pouring rain, and the radio suddenly stopped working. Alex was tired and hungry. He was looking for a place to stop. After midnight, Alex saw a sign by the side of the long, dark highway. The Moonlight Diner. The diner was small, clean, and brightly lit. It looked like a safe place. Alex pulled his car into the empty parking lot. Inside, the diner was warm. There was a long counter and 6 small tables. Everything was shiny and new. Behind the counter stood a woman with bright red hair, Marta. She looked friendly. But Alex immediately noticed one strange thing. The diner was full of people, yet it was completely silent. At every table sat a person, or 2 people, drinking coffee or eating pie. They all looked normal. An old man with a hat, a woman reading a newspaper, a young couple. But they did not speak. They did not look at each other. They just sat and stared straight ahead. Alex sat down at the counter. Marta smiled at him, but she did not say hello. "Coffee, please?" Alex whispered. He felt like he shouldn't speak loudly. Marta poured the coffee. Her movements were slow and perfect. Alex tried to start a conversation. "Is this diner new?" Marta stopped cleaning a glass. She looked at Alex, but her eyes were cold. She pointed to a small handwritten sign above the counter. The sign simply read, "No talking." Alex was shocked. He looked at the silent people. The young couple was holding hands, but their faces showed no emotion. They were like statues. He drank his coffee quickly. Then he tried one last thing. "Marta," Alex whispered, "why is everyone so silent? Is there a problem?" Marta slowly reached under the counter. Alex's heart pounded. He thought she was going to call the police or pull out a weapon. Instead, Marta brought out a small old photograph. She placed it on the counter between them. The photograph showed Marta, the old man, the young couple, and every person in the diner, but they were all standing together outside the diner, and the whole diner building was on fire. The photo was dated 50 years ago. Marta pointed to the burning building in the picture, then pointed to the brightly lit modern diner around them. She slowly shook her head, giving Alex a look of profound sadness. Alex suddenly understood. He wasn't in a safe new diner. He was in a place that had been rebuilt exactly where the tragedy happened. The people, Marta, the couple, the old man, were not silent because of a rule. They were silent because they were waiting. Alex stood up so fast his chair almost fell. He put money on the counter, whispered, "Goodbye," and ran out into the pouring rain. When he drove away, he looked in his rearview mirror. The diner's lights were still bright, but for 1 second, Alex saw the faint, flickering image of fire behind the windows. He pressed the gas and drove on, never looking back. Now, let's practice your understanding. 1. What 2 strange things did Alex first notice about the diner? 2. What was written on the sign above the counter? 3. What did the old photograph show? I hope you enjoyed this story. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English practice.